Hello friends, welcome you again in my new video where I will tell you how to unlock the locked mobile phone like pin pattern password. In this video, you will also know that you will not lose any data at the time of unlocking of your phone, and the biggest thing is from this video we will also know that how can you remove the password of your mobile without using computer software. This method is also used in service center nowadays. By doing this, you can unlock any Android phone at home. So let's learn it. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with cool mind. When your mobile is locked, first of all, you have to fully charge your smartphone so that your mobile is not switched off at the process of unlocking. If your mobile is switched off, then all the important data of your smartphone remains in danger and being deleted. Watch this video till this end. Only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning this method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. First of all, you must fully charge your smartphone. If your phone is not charged completely, then you may use this method by plug your charger to your phone. Then after, use offline mode. Firstly, start this method. Your phone should be on airplane mode, or you may also know as flight mode. So you can see here your phone is not on a flight mode. So firstly, you have to convert your phone on flight mode. For this, you have to simply slide your slider, and you can see here there is a flight mode, or you may also known as airplane mode option. You have to click on it. Now your phone is on completely airplane mode. Now the second option is you have to go on emergency call option. Just a minute. Your emergency call option has been activated in your phone. Now you can see here a such type of display. There is a dialing pad. Now I am going to telling you a secret code which is used to completely off your background application, whatever was running before your phone is locked. So all the application of background should be locked before unlocking this process. And the secret code I am going to telling you, this secret code every 15 days changes. So if your phone does not open or does not unlock by this secret code, so kindly subscribe my channel and wait for my next video. Next video will help to unlock your phone. So the secret code is, you can write down it, or you may take the screenshot of my video. So secret code is star 36529800, then hash. After clicking on hash, you have to click on call button. You will get a prompt call failed, but you have to click on OK. Continue this trick 3 times, call and OK. Now the second trick is you have to clear this call log. Clear this call log. Now you can see here your call log has been cleared. Now I am going to a very important thing. Now you have to activate your engineer's mode, or it's also known as master unlocking code. So the master unlocking secret code is star hash 899. Sorry, just wait. Star hash 899 and hash. After clicking on hash, you will see in your phone display engineer's mode is activated, or it's also known as master unlocking mode. So you will see here lots of options from top to bottom, but the main option, whatever you have to know, software version. You have to click on software version. After clicking on software, you will see from top to bottom there are lots of options. You can see here model. Your phone model number has been given RMX2117. So you don't have to click on that option. You have to click on Android version 12. It may be possible your phone will show you Android version 10, Android version 13. So I have to click on this option 12 times because here written Android version 12. If your phone is showing Android version 10, then you will have to click on this option 10 times. If your phone is showing Android version 13, then you will have to click here 13 times. So I will click here 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The first process is completed. Now you have to go on back button. After going back button, you will see the same options like previous, and now your option, you have to choose the manual test option. After clicking on manual test option, you will see a such type of page. From sliding right side, you will go to the next options, and you will have to reach to the other option. Now you will see in the other option there are 5 type of option has been given. The main option you have to use the database version option. So on the database version option you have to click here 7 times. Now clicking on database version 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now clicking on database version 7 times, wait for 7 seconds. So I will also like to tell you, if you are using this process, then kindly charge your phone completely. Okay, now 7 seconds has been completed. Now you have to click on read and write important log test. You will get a prompt of confirm, but you don't have to confirm here. You have to cancel here. Again click on read and write important log test, and again cancel it. Do sorry, just a minute. Again click on it, and again click on cancel, but the fourth time you have to click on OK. Now your second method has been completed. So don't skip any step. If you are skipping any step, then your phone is not going to unlock. So completely follow the process completely from starting to ending. Now you have to slide left side. You can see here lots of option over there, but you have to stay here on device debugging option. You can see here device debugging option. There are lots of option. Check small board, fingerprint test and keypad test, but you have to come now. You have to click on sensor self test and calibration option. After clicking on this option, you will get two type of option. You can see here operation not started, and the second is also operation not started. In your phone it may be possible you will see here two option, one option or three option. You have to clicking on these option continuously until you see, you can see here test it started prompt, until you see test passed message. It may be possible it comes in 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, or it may takes 15 times or 50 times, but you have to click continuously on these option until you see here test passed option. Now your phone has been completely unlocked. Now you have to simply stay here and go to the bottom of the phone. You can see here bottom of the phone there is an option of a home button. You have to click on home button. Now you can see here phone has been completely unlocked. If by my video, if your phone is unlocked, though, kindly like my video and subscribe channel. If your phone is if your phone does not unlock, you may comment me and our team will immediately respond for you. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.